Make it bussin'.
I'm lit, but in my phone I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, fit I need
On
it.
this episode of Welcome Dishes, I'm gonna walk you through making that honey sriracha chicken that everyone loves. Before we get started, come walk with me through the grocery store. If you don't know, this is a typical Publix in the US. I'm looking for some ingredients that's gonna set my wings apart from just putting hot sauce and ranch on them. You need this. This recipe is for when you have a taste for some wings, but you don't just want plain wings. You want them honey sriracha wings, and the ingredients are on the international food aisle in Publix. Let's go down this aisle. You'll find everything you need to make tacos, pineapple fried rice, jerk chicken, and you'll see the categories of West Indies and then Asian. That's what everything you need. You got your sriracha sauce, your sesame oil, your rice wine vinegar, and don't spend time debating on which brand you're actually going to buy. And if you can't decide, just go with the one that's high. Now let's get to making this sauce because I'm ready for it and I can't wait to taste them at the end. So the first thing I start off with is 1/3 cup of sriracha sauce, 1/3 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 cup of sugar, and I just whisk this together until the sugar white color is no longer there. And then I rub these wings down, and I rub them all the way down, make sure I get sauce all over. And when I'm satisfied with how the wings are actually covered, I then put them in the oven and let them broil for about 5 minutes. Now look at there, y'all. It's busting, ain't it? I know. I actually wanted to eat this right off the tray. But of course, I let it cool. I plated this with green onions, limes, and the sesame on top. Now, one tip I will say that I have had this recipe with the sesame seeds baked in the sauce, and it's just as good as putting the sesames on top. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.